Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily change exposure metering on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to Camera Hub, which is the app for your PC. Make sure that in device, here the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro. And now scroll down until you see exposure right here. Now, click on metering. Here you can change it to average, spot, or center weighted, depending on your preference. And that would be it. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.